Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Learn English with Shelly Viva. Today we will be learning to be in the present simple tense. So let's get started. What is to be? To be is an important irregular verb. It is used to describe qualities and or give information about a person, place, and or thing. It is also used to give identity information. And lastly, it can also be used to give the condition of a person, place, and or a thing. Let's take a look at how to form a present simple tense sentence using to be. In order to create the sentence, you need the subject plus the correct form of to be plus the rest of the sentence. For example, I am hopeful. I am hopeful. Subject is I. The right form of the to be is am. And hopeful is the rest of the sentence. Let's take a look at more examples for the subject I. I am a lawyer. I am a lawyer. I is the subject, am is the correct form of to be, and the rest of the sentence is a lawyer. Good. Let's move on to more examples. I am late. I am late. Can you guess what the subject is? You guessed correct. It's I. What about the right form of to be? Yes, it's am. And the rest of the sentence? You got it right. It's late. Let's move on to another one. I am 21 years old. I am 21 years old. And lastly, I am from Poland. I am from Poland. Now let's take a look at more to be sentences using different subjects. For example, you are polite. You are polite. You is the subject, are is the correct form of to be, and polite is the rest of the sentence. So the format stays the same. Subject plus the correct form of to be plus the rest of the sentence. Let's take a look at more examples. You are a pilot. You are a pilot. And lastly, you are available on weekends. You are available on weekends. You is the subject, are is the form of to be, and available on weekends is the rest of the sentence. Now let's take a look at the subjects he, she, and it. Notice how for he, she, and it, the form of to be is simply is. For example, he is fine. She is fine. It is fine. Let's take a look at more examples. It is broken. It is the subject. Is the correct form of to be, and broken is the rest of the sentence. It is broken. He is available from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. He is available from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. And another example is Nancy is in the office. Nancy is in the office. If you know the person's name, you can simply add it for the subject. In this case, you knew the person Nancy, so you added it in there. Instead of saying she is in the office, you simply say Nancy is in the office. Nancy is in the office. Let's move on to the subjects we and they. The format stays the same, subject plus the correct form of to be plus the rest of the sentence. For example, we are happy. We are happy. They are happy. They are happy. Notice how for both of the subjects, we and they, the form of to be is simply are. Let's take a look at more examples with we. For example, we are busy this afternoon. We are busy this afternoon. We is the subject, are is the correct form of to be, and busy this afternoon is the rest of the sentence. We are in Mexico. We are in Mexico. Okay, good job. Now let's move on to the subject they. For example, Tom, Jerry, and Peter are students. Tom, Jerry, and Peter are students. The subjects are Tom, Jerry, and Peter. Are is the correct form of to be, and students is the rest of the sentence. Another example is they are careful. They are careful. And another example would be Elizabeth and Frank are Greek. Elizabeth and Frank are Greek. Elizabeth and Frank are the subjects. The correct form of to be is are, and Greek is the rest of the sentence. Good job. Now let's play a little activity based on what we just learned. I will give you 7 questions, and you have to guess the correct form of to be for each of the questions according to the sentence and the picture. And at the end of the 7 questions, you will see the answer key. Let's get started, and good luck. Number 1. She blank a makeup artist. She blank a makeup artist. What do you think is the right form of to be in this case? She blank a makeup artist. Write your answer down, and at the end of the 7 questions, you will see the answer key. Good job. Let's move on to number 2. V blank helpful. V blank helpful. Okay. Number 3. He blank sick. He blank sick. What do you think is the right form of to be that comes after he? He blank sick. Okay, good. Let's move on to number 4. They blank students. They blank students. Number 5. Megan blank Japanese. Megan blank Japanese. Okay, good. Now number 6. It blank beautiful. It blank beautiful. Okay, now the last question, number 7. I blank in the living room. I blank in the living room. Okay, get ready. Next page is the answer key. So here we go. Number 1, the answer is she is a makeup artist. She is a makeup artist. Okay. Number 2, we are helpful. We are helpful. Number 3, he is sick. He is sick. Number 4, they are students. They are students. Number 5, Megan is Japanese. Megan is Japanese. Number 6, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. And lastly, number 7, I am in the living room. I am in the living room. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful. And for more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.